Hello friend, in this video lecture we are going to learn third method, modified Euler method. First write the formula. Approximate the integral y1 is equal to y0 plus integration 0 x0 to x f of xy dx using trapezoidal rule to obtain y1 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1, that is y1 of 1 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 of 0. Obtain the formula, iterative formula y1 of n plus 1 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 of n, and with y1 of 0 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. Use this formula, then solve the problem of this method. Then write the problem. Example 1. Determine the value of y when x is equal to 0.1, given that y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash is equal to x square plus y. By modified Euler method and take h is equal to 0.05. First write the solution. Let f of x y is equal to y dash is equal to x square plus y, that is equation 1. Then given that y of 0 is equal to 1, y of 0 is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.05, x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to 1, that is equation number 2. Then f of x0 y0 is equal to f of 0, 1, and that is 0 square plus 1 is equal to 1. Now y1 of 0 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0, and putting here the value of y0 is equal to 1 plus h is equal to 0.05 and f of x0 y0 is equal to again 1. Then we get the answer 1.05. That is equation number 3. Then take x1. Then take here x1 is equal to 0.05. Then f of x1 y1 of 0 is equal to f of x1 is 0.05 and y1 of 0 is equal to 1.05. Then we get 0.05 square plus 1.05, that is equal to 1.0525 by using 1. Then y1 of 1 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 of 0. Here y0 is equal to 1 plus h is equal to 0.05 divided by 2. F of x0 y0 is equal to 1 plus 1.0525. Then after calculation 1 plus 0.025 into 2.0525. Then after calculation we get 1 plus 0.0513, and then y1 of 1 is equal to 1.0513. This is the value of y1. 1. Then find f of x1 y1 of 1, and that is equal to f of x1 is 0.05 and y1 of 1 is equal to 1.0513. Then putting this value in equation 1, 0.05 square x square means plus 1 point y is equal to 0.0513. After calculation this value is gives 1.0538. Then y1 of 2 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 into bracket f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 of 1, and putting this value we get 1 plus 0.05 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1.0538. After calculating we get 1 plus 0.025 into 2.0538. After calculation y1 of 2 is equal to 1.0513. Hence we take y1 is equal to 1.05313, which is correct to 4 decimal point. Next, with x1 is equal to 0.05 and y1 is equal to 1.0513 and h is equal to 0.05. We continue the procedure to obtain y2, that is the value of y when x is equal to 0.1. The result are y2 of 0 is equal to 1.1040 and y2 of 1 is equal to 1.1055 and y2 of 2 is equal to 1.1055. Here we conclude that the value of y when x is equal to 0.1 is 1.1055. That is the answer of given problem. Means we continue this procedure and we find the value of y2 of 2, and that is equal to 1.1055. This is the value of y when x is equal to 0.1. Thank you.